Kublai pi baro session part tentang yang pentip sepi ya kini kipos kibalat apo ke National Health Mission Meghalaya. Kelakot online application na kementa kipos jangki Meet Health Provider MLHP bad ya kini kipos kandai aka contractual basis. Teka last date ban submit ya ki application pat hadu ka kat patrik umat arajar arpusan. Te ki bakwa apply ya kini ki post te sape je kini ke video hadu ke bakut kenang ba pensau tho ha ke bayate bat kini ki post bat ya ki wiki jingdon kam ki kerteng jung ki post ka day Meet Health Provider number of post not specified tena ka menta ki number of post bat ki klam pat penmi AA hadu menta karno ki post ki balaj kala ban keu ne kala ban pun ro ngimla ban tip nangta ka place of post as per requirement within the state nangta ka jaka bantrei pat kandai katkum go jington kam hapo gajela kabadai hapo Meghalaya nangta ka age limit pat as per government of Meghalaya norms kajing seu as per NHM Meghalaya norm ya kajing seu pat ngam ratib ha hadu karno kalaban poi hadu arpho hajar lane tam bro nangta ka essential qualification but experience BSc Nursing Integrated Nurse Course Certificate Course in Community Health for 6 months Pass certificate course to be enclosed from a recognized institution Pidai ban pendep ya ka BSc Nursing but pidai bandon ka certificate rubanai haki Community Health but ki certificate ki long ki badon kam bha hakino kino ki institution bapi pule candidate must be registered with the Meghalaya Nursing Council ki candidate pat kidai ban register hapo ka Meghalaya Nursing Council knowledge of computer pat pidai ru bandon ka jingtip sepang ki computer preference will be given to candidates speaking the local language te ki kamsim bahaya ki candidate ki balanang bankren haki local language hakaktin kasi lane centia te kumno ban apply ya kini ki post eligible and interest candidate can submit their application on or before 18 March by mandatory filling the Google form link ki balong eligible ya kini ki post bat ki bakwa ban apply bat ki bakwa ban yo ya ka application kila ban submit ya ki application ki jong phi hadu ka khat pratrik urisau arajar apsan dak ba pendap ya kana ka link jong ka Google form te ya kana ka link yang sabu hapo ka description below ki candidate kidai ban pendon kam tang daga Gmail account nak benta ban pendon kurteng haka Google form ki candidate kidai ban apply tang sisin dak ka ba pendon kam ya ka Google form bat pidai ru ban upload ya ka CV harengkat bat ki dokumen kandai PDF file kajing he jong ka PDF kan kam dai banduna ya ka khatsan MB te ki candidate ki ba sha merit list lane shortlist pat enda ki lakhot pi ha ka interview pi ha ban lek bat pidai ru ban ra lane penbiang ya ki certificate original namar kin sa check ya ki dokumen ha ka por ba phile ya ka interview te tang kini ke chimpute ha ka bedai bat kine kublai sibon